Hello, this is Becky Wheeler with Remax Big Bear, giving you a video walkthrough tour of my listing at 309 West North Shore in Big Bear City. It has this lot that the buyer of the house can have first right of refusal. And here we go. It has a fully enclosed carport with a little door that'll close and open right there for you to access the backyard. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with an office and separate laundry room. I'm doing an open house today, so that's why the table is set up. This is the office or extra bedroom if you'd like it to be that. It has a door to the backyard. This closes, and that's where the water heater, forced air unit, and washer and dryer are. T&G beamed ceilings, forced air heat. There is a closet right there, coat closet. Full bathroom downstairs. And 2 bedrooms downstairs. Upstairs, we have the reverse floor plan. So we have the kitchen. And they had a little table right here also, but we removed that. It's got these little bread holder things. I always liked these when I was a kid. Electric stove. Got a full dining room if you want to keep it a dining room. Another full bathroom that looks just like the one downstairs. I'll give you a little peek outside through this window. Trying to keep the video short. That's the backyard. There are 2 storage sheds back there in great condition. Here's the 4th bedroom. And then finally, we have the deck. It had AstroTurf on it that we have not removed. There's the lot that we park on when we come to the property. That's why the owners would like to have it go with the house if the buyer wants it. Thank you.